Hello guys and welcome back to The Mood. Today we are the 4th of May 2021 and yes, the market is taking a little bit of a hit. It's Tuesday. Seems like each Tuesday recently it's been like that. We always had some dumps and they always turns out well. So the question is it going to be the same way today or are we gonna see more redness during the coming days? Well, all answers probably in this video, so please, if you didn't subscribe to the channel, do so. Again, welcome, and without further ado, let's get into the charts. So here is our Bitcoin chart, and it doesn't look that bad when you see it this way. Of course, if you just see all this redness right here, you feel like it's an ugly day, but you always have to stay positive. All these kind of movements don't mean anything. You know, guys, what I think about fear, you shouldn't feel it as well as you shouldn't feel any euphoria when things go well, because you will be always bipolar, like going up and down, up and down. Oh my god, Ethereum is blowing up today. Oh my god, it's losing, and then oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, and then your head is like poof. So we don't mind of these red days, guys. We are still in the bull market, and watch my previous video. I did you all the demonstrations that basically we are in the middle of it and there is nothing to be scared of. If you look closer on the 4 hours, actually things seems pretty good. We can see that the VIX is resisting quite well and we are bouncing off this resistance line. So don't be scared, you know, guys, that's the rule. If you feel like these charts are bringing you down, same as this negative percentage here, if you feel like your mood is actually down because of that, just go away. Don't look at the charts at all today and come back tomorrow. You will see things on a very different perspective. So of course our trades are actually in red, most of them. Our Chili's is in red, but you know, guys, this is nothing compared to the chart and compared to that kind of price movement. So I'm not worried about it. Our radar trade is a bit in the red, but still recovering. And it's the same of our DEN trend. And Luna, as usual, is totally taking the hits very well and is just losing only 1.5%, which is actually a good thing on a day like that, right? On the positive side, Ethereum had a beautiful run yesterday and I totally predicted that run. But guys, over that, it's gonna be quite hard to predict where Ethereum is going next. Right now, it's probably going to retrace because of that bearish divergence right here. But once we have finished ranging around this area, probably around the end of this month, next level is right here at $5,400, guys. At these levels, then, as I told you guys, is starting to be really attractive. And guys, if you remember my C analysis, this is where we are going right now. We've been ranging into this area and we can see here on the RSI that we are in the lowest and nearly touching that resistance line right here that would correspond to that trend line that we see here. And in fact, we nearly touch it around $0.36. Right now we can see that the MACD is trying to cross, but with some limitations. This analysis, as you can see it right here, is still completely accurate and we are actually in a good spot to enter SIA. But if you want to know what are the perspectives for future and where can SIA coin go actually on the next level, if we use the Fibonacci retracement tool, we can actually find a nice level around 10 cents, guys, 10 cents. And I'm not telling you when it's gonna happen because for now I have no clues. My analysis are just into short range to middle term. Before the 15th of May, a good price target would be around $0.38. So many of you guys asked me an update about Cake, and that's what we are going to do. Cake is actually trading around $32 and 02 cents and lost 4.42% yesterday. Alright, so this is our Cake chart on the exchange FTX. That's the most complete I could get, but you know, guys, that it's a very, very tiny chart and it's not always easy to chart with such a little bit of data, but we can do it. It's totally feasible. So now let's try to do it. As usual, we find our resistance line and the main one is obviously right here. That is going to be our main support. We have a second one right here and also a third one right here. That is actually our main trend. Here we go. Guys, that's what we have on Cake. Now let's try to see where we are going. The first thing that scares me, for Cake, and you know guys, I'm not always here to bring the good news, and I would be not a good chartist if I was always telling you things go up, you know. So you have to be able to take it even when things go a little bit down. It doesn't mean you lost all your money. It doesn't mean that your dream is gone. It just means that some coins need to correct more than others. And once they are done, the uptrend will resume and things are going to be extremely happy again. But it's all a game of patience, as I always say. So the bad signs here are the RSI is super high. We have a resistance line right here. That's a good news because maybe we are not going to break it, and we have to see how low it can get regarding that resistance line. The MACD, however, is about to cross. That's a bad sign. The VIX is not telling us much, but there is a bit of confidence over this coin, and that's not something that is also super positive. So at that point, I'm gonna draw my own expectation and forecast for the coming days of Cake. I didn't look at my previous analysis because it's the second time I do it, guys. That's gonna be scenario 1, and I think it's probably the most accurate, and I hope so for you guys. Now, if we break this resistance line, if the market goes down during the coming days, it will bring everything down, including Cake, but I don't think so. That's the second scenario. That is the less probable. But still, worst case scenario, we go down right here, and then we are going to range, and then we are going to pop up later. Guys, both scenarios are actually not bad. It's just a matter of patience. Now, this one is probably the one that is going to happen, but right here, you got the green scenario and the red scenario, and I hope it's gonna be the green one. We always want to see our favorite coins go green, right? So if you want a real good entry on Cake, you would get it around $33.85, guys. If you're already in Cake, well, just hodl it. It's gonna be alright. And if you have a chance, buy back some when price will hit that target. Anyway, guys, that's gonna be it for today. As you can see behind me, there is the chart of Doge that is never ending, going up. So will it retrace at that resistance line? That's the big question. Will it retrace? Because normally everything looks set up for a retracement right here, but Doge is insane, one of the very few green coins today. And yeah, sometimes you feel like, why are you studying so many charts when you could just put all your money into Doge and just wait and let it run and become a millionaire, a multimillionaire, a Doge multimillionaire without doing anything. Congratulations if you are a Doge holder. That's fair. That's fair. I mean, damn. Guys, I wish you an excellent day and see you tomorrow. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave us tons of like to support the channel and help rank on YouTube. Thank you guys and see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Doge a pris 10%, sa mère la pute.